In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect blocks and tables in Logseq. First, open Logseq and make sure you're in the graph where your notes live. If you use multiple graphs, give it a moment to load. Having the right graph selected ensures the query pulls from the notes you actually want. Next, open your journal. It's a great place to prototype because it's always there and easy to find. If today's page is empty, that's fine. We're just staging the view so you can see results clearly before placing it anywhere permanent. Now, type in your details and open your page. Navigate to the page where you want the collected blocks to appear and add a short note at the top so you remember what this table is for. Once that page is open, we'll insert the query that powers the table view. Inside that page, type a / type query and choose the query option from the menu. This creates a query block. A query searches across your graph for blocks that match your terms, such as a tag, a page reference, or a property, and displays the results right here. Keep your criteria focused so the results are relevant. For example, you might pull in blocks tagged with a specific project or a consistent keyword. Think of the query as the filter and the table as the lens. With the query in place, click the plus sign to open the options, then click Page Preferences and choose the setting that switches this query's display to a table. You'll see your matching blocks rearranged into rows with useful information surfaced as columns. Properties and tags tied to each block become easy to scan, which makes patterns and priorities stand out. If the table looks sparse, that usually means your blocks don't share common properties yet. That improves as you standardize your notes. Over time, consistent tags and simple properties make tables far more actionable. From here, treat the table like a lightweight dashboard. New blocks that meet your criteria will appear automatically, and edits to your notes will sync into this view without extra effort. If nothing shows up, tweak the terms in your query block until the results look right. And that's it. You went to Logseq, opened your journal, moved into the page you care about, inserted a query, and used the plus sign and page preferences to present those results as a clean, scannable table.